Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add website shortcuts in the Brave browser step by step. Website shortcuts let you quickly open your favorite websites from the Brave New Tab page. So let's get started. First, open the Brave browser on your computer. Next, open a new tab. On the New Tab page, click Add Shortcut. Enter the name of the website. Then enter the website URL. Next, click Done or Add. The website shortcut will now appear on your new tab page. You can click the shortcut anytime to open the website instantly. If you want to edit or remove a shortcut, move your mouse over the shortcut. Then click the three-dot menu. Choose Edit to change the name or URL, or click Remove to delete the shortcut. And that's it. You've successfully added website shortcuts in the Brave browser. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Brave browser tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.